Welcome back to Health for You. Today, we're spotlighting the pull-up, an exercise that transforms your entire upper body. It's not just about bigger biceps. Pull-ups build strength, improve posture, and accelerate fat loss. This compound movement fires up your back, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. Pull-ups are the ultimate test of practical, functional strength. In this video, we'll break down why mastering the pull-up is essential and how you can progress no matter your starting point. Let's dive in. Every time you grab the bar, your grip is working overtime. Pull-ups forge powerful hands and forearms, giving you real-world strength for everything from carrying groceries to crushing deadlifts. A strong grip means you can lift more, do more reps, and unlock your true upper body potential. It's the foundation for all your strength gains. Pull-ups torch calories by recruiting multiple muscle groups at once. This intense demand boosts your metabolism so you burn more calories even at rest. As you build muscle, your body becomes a 24/7 fat-burning machine. Pull-ups are a secret weapon for a lean, athletic physique. Conquering pull-ups isn't just physical, it's a mental win. Each rep releases endorphins, boosting your mood and confidence. Hitting new milestones builds resilience and self-belief. Pull-ups train your mind as much as your muscles. Pull-ups build the kind of strength you use every day. Whether you're climbing, lifting, or just moving through life, this movement pattern is essential. Unlike isolation exercises, pull-ups teach your muscles to work together. This coordination makes daily tasks easier and reduces injury risk. It's true practical strength. Pull-ups are the gold standard for back development. They target your lats, rhomboids, and stabilizers, building a strong, resilient upper body. A powerful back supports your spine and shoulders, preventing pain and injuries. Make pull-ups a staple for a bulletproof back. Pull-ups challenge your endurance as much as your strength. Multiple reps push your muscles and cardiovascular system, boosting stamina. Short rest periods turn pull-ups into a heart-pounding workout. You'll have more energy for workouts, and for life. Too much pushing and sitting leads to muscle imbalances and poor posture. Pull-ups strengthen your back and rear shoulders, pulling everything into alignment. This balances your body, improves mobility, and prevents pain. It's the antidote to modern life. Weak backs and tight chests cause that dreaded desk slump. Pull-ups activate the muscles that hold you upright, retraining your posture. You'll stand taller, look more confident, and relieve chronic aches. Better posture starts at the pull-up bar. Mastering pull-ups is your ticket to advanced moves like muscle-ups and levers. They build the strength, stability, and body control needed for next-level training. Even if you're not chasing calisthenics, pull-ups prove you have real, functional strength. They open the door to endless fitness possibilities. Want that wide-shouldered, narrow-waisted look? Pull-ups are the king for building your lats and creating the classic V-taper. No other exercise delivers such dramatic upper body shape. For an athletic, powerful physique, pull-ups are unbeatable. Ready to transform your body? Start a 30-day pull-up challenge. Can't do one yet? Begin with hangs, negatives, or assisted reps. Just be consistent. Focus on perfect form, control the movement, and celebrate every bit of progress. You'll get stronger, look better, and feel unstoppable. Take the challenge. Your new strength starts now. Like, subscribe, and share your pull-up journey in the comments. Thanks for watching Health for You.